All right, let's turn off the eye on the label layer to turn that off for now. Click on the background layer, make sure it's selected, and we're going to double click on it to name it. We're going to name it jar, press return. We're also going to duplicate the layer. We want the original layer, but we want to keep an original version because we're going to digitally manipulate the copy of this. So we'll always have the original to fall back on if we need it. So do a Command J to duplicate that layer. I say duplicate because it's Command J, and that reminds me that I need to use the letter J for duplicating. Let's make another new layer, and we're going to rename this one white. Double click on it, write white, and then press return. We're going to fill this layer with white. It's going to help us when we manipulate the jar copy. On the white layer, click on Edit, click on Fill. We're going to fill this layer with white. Click on the Contents dropdown, make sure white is selected, and then click OK. That's going to fill white into that layer. We're going to take this layer and we're going to drag it underneath the jar copy layer. What we want to do is delete the background of the jar copy layer. That white is going to show behind it. Click on the jar copy layer and let's see if remove background works for this. If you don't have the remove background button here, make sure that you have the properties panel selected. If you don't see the properties panel, go to Window, Properties. You can find any panel in the Windows dropdown right here. So let's click on Remove Background and see what happens. All right, so the Remove Background didn't work so well. It deleted part of the jar on the left here. It didn't delete the shadow on the right or the shadow on the top. So I'm going to do a Command Z to go back in time. So I want to make my own selection and make a mask from that. This lesson will continue in the next video.